of the four-time defending champions, the Real Lady Blazers, 4-1. So they've since avenged their first loss of the season against Perpetual with 3 straight wins. Skydel Katarig starts us off. Hindi pa tayo kumukurap. Pumuntos na yung Katarig.
Well, I'm actually excited for LPU kung ano ipapakita nila against the defending champions, Binild. And syempre, ina-expect natin itong Binild mas magiging, ano na ngayon, mas magiging maingat na every game dahil nga yung pagkatalo nila sa Perpetual ay medyo masakit for the team.
Although today will be a challenge for the Lady Blazers, again without their head coach, Jerry Yee, in the sidelines for the second straight match. Oh, that's a good hit coming from Mochilias. Kasi John Vic, iba yung presensya na ibinibigay ni Coach Jerry. Kumbaga, mas, siyempre, panatag yung mga players kapag nandun siya at nagmamasa.
I agree, Martin. Kasi may mga players talaga in teams na kapag nandyan yung coach na #1 coach for them, eh, talagang iba rin yung focus nila.
Precisely. One apiece. Oh, that's a faulty first ball. Dug up by Bañares. De Guzman sends it away for LPU's second point.
I really like the composure of LPU dito sa game natin, sa first set natin. Dahil hindi sila masyadong rattle and compose lang. Every point counts.
That's one of the keys for Coach Cromwell this season. You know, they took the process slow. Parang one game at a time sila. Nag-i-improve yung mga bata each game. So, okay lang. We're not panicking.
Yeah. And gaya ng sabi mo, Martin, he really worked hard for this team. And nakita naman natin yung resulta kung anong ginagawa nila.
Mochilias committing the attack error. And I think also one of the biggest challenges para sa LPU, John Vic, yung pagkawala ni Mingming Puzon, who was the heart and soul of the team in the previous years, including the back-to-back times they went to the Final Four. To a piece. Kat Galedo has to fill that hole left by Puzon. Getigan, underhand pass for Lieses. Dolorito diving for that ball. Here's De Guzman. Long shot, so LPU with back-to-back attack errors.
Yep. And if there's one thing na kailangan na ma-eliminate itong LPU, yun yung kanilang mga unforced errors, Martin. And knowing CSB, mas ano na yan, mas consistent na yan this time. And I'm sure, well, hindi natin masasabi kung ano yung ipapakita nila dahil napaka-aggressive nila when it comes to attack. Pero considering you are the defending champions, mas alam mo yung gagawin mo during game.
Oh, this is a good connection, but you're right. Di ba nga, magaling na yung kalaban mo. Kung ito LPU, magaling na yung kalaban mo. Huwag mo nang bigyan pa ng bala. Parang gano'n, ng amo pa.
Kumbaga, huwag mo nang bigyan ng partida. Kasi the more na nag-commit ka ng mga unforced errors, parang binibigyan mo sila ng chance na mas mapadali yung trabaho.
Yeah. And as we mentioned that, Alberto, after scoring from the middle, commits the service error.
And eto, first set pa lang, Martin, meron ng 3 unforced errors itong LPU. 2 from the attacks and isa sa service.
They gotta shake it out immediately. Back set for Mochilias. That one was deflected. Beniod sets up. Lieses, who goes down the line. Ash Lieses. One half of the Lieses twins with this win right here. 5-3. Blazers overcoming a slow start. Galedo one-handed set. Pasang-basa yung tip ni Bio. So 6-3 for Beniod now.
3 unforced errors plus konting miscommunication sa ating first ball and setter.
Still on the service line for the Lady Blazers, number 11.
LPU, ever since the faster start earlier, medyo manlamig sila. That's too easy for Zam Nolasco. 7-3. And Benild is pulling away.
Yep. And merong konting tactics itong si Lieses when it comes to serving. Kanina kinargahan niya. And nakita naman natin yung mga players ng LPU. Medyo umatras sila ng onte. And this time, too long para kay Lieses. 3-point para sa LPU.
But that was a productive stretch on the service line for Lieses. That was Kyle Lieses
For the Lady Pirates.
serving. Ito na si Mochilias ngayon. Jump serve. Good pick up by Beniod. Here's Nolasco. Dug up. Back row push.
Yep.
Did she step on the line? Well, she did on the gather. So LPU with yet another error. Timeout muna tayo. May report about the two teams. Itong si Fatima Reyes sa ating pagbabalik.
Now I have... Welcome back mga kapuso. Nakatutok pa rin kayo sa NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball. Now I have a question. Hindi rin ba pwedeng magsimula ang araw nyo nang walang kape? Well, for Zam Nolasco, ito raw talaga ang nagiging sikreto niya pre-game para magtuloy-tuloy ang energy niya sa loob ng court, which is very evident to the numbers she brings to the team. And speaking of the team, gaya nga ng sabi nyo, the Lady Blazers will be managed by Coach Mark and Coach Onyok to fill in Coach Jerry's absence today. On the flip side, the Lady Pirates will still be playing without Jaja Tulang due to her right knee injury and Bam Taghoy due to abdominal issues. But as per Coach Cromwell Garcia, they will give their all heart to continue their winning streak today. Martin and John Vic.
Maraming salamat, Fatima Reyes. Coffee is key for that young player, Zam Nolasco, who scored it down the line. And yung pala, sabi ni Nolasco, hindi daw siya pwede maglaro. Magsimula yung araw ng walang kape. Marami talagang ganyan, ano?
Well, nakakapagpa-energize kasi. Kagaya natin, Martin, di ba? Para ma-start yung araw, magkaroon ng kahit konting energy, kailangan natin ng coffee. Coffee is life, sabi nga nila.
Oo. Sobrang atake dito. Pero tama ka kasi may ano ka, may feeling kapag umaga na. Teka, parang namihina pa ako.
Yeah.
Diba?
But the challenge on the floor.
Wala pa ako sa wisyo. Kailangan ko magkape.
Challenge is
Our first challenge of the match. Block touch. So hindi ball in, ball out. Block touch. We'll see if there was a check on one of the blockers of the LPU Lady Pirates. And you see them
napakihinaan po ng konti.
dancing
Maraming
here on the
salamat.
sidelines. I want to talk about number 12 here. Ito si Sheila Pascual,
Para po sa
a rookie who entered
napakihinaan po ng konti.
only set number 4 against the Mapua Lady Cardinals and brought in the energy.
Wow.
Sabi ko, 6 points dun sa dalawang
set.
set niya. Fourth
Ah,
set,
fourth
tsaka
set,
fifth set
fifth
siya naglaro. Pero sabi ko kay Coach Crump, Coach, may tinatago ka pa pala na Sheila Pascual. Ba't ngayon mo lang nilabas? Hindi. Kasi ano pa, bata pa. Maganda experience yun, pero maganda pinakita. Okay. Well, walang touch.
Outside. The challenge is
So,
successful. Point and serve for the Lady Pirates.
Successful challenge mula dito kay Coach Cromwell Garcia. They also get the point.
Alam mo, balikan ko lang yung sinasabi mo, Martin. Ibig sabihin, itong team ng LPU, malalim yung bench nila.
Oo, yeah.
Kumbaga kahit sinong ipasok, makakapag-deliver for the team.
Even middle blockers, meron silang matatangkad na players dyan na pwedeng ipasok. Aside from Hart Bio. And this is a good tip, placement hit. Mula kay
Shahana Lieses.
Team captain.
guiding into the right spot. Itong si Ashley SS, 11-5. Sharp serve unleashed by Basarte. They bring it over to Dolorito, who scores with the help of the net.
Dolorito.
1 point at a time for LPU. Kasi mahirap talagang pagkalaban mo ang defending champions. Unang-una, iniisip ng mga players na nakaka-intimidate because champion team yan. Mahirap kalabanin. But minsan-minsan kailangan mo ring isipin na nothing to lose. Kung yan yung champion, meron, kumbaga sa champion, bababa ng second, third. So kayong contender, kailangan isipin nyo lang natin to lose, labanan nyo lang baka sakali.
That's right. That's the only mindset to have against a team like Benilde, who has proven their success throughout the years. 4 straight championships here in the NCAA women's volleyball scene. Wala pa pong ibang nagkakampiyon matapos po mag-resume tayo sa NCAA nung pandemya, di ba?
Alam mo, naalala ko lang, Martin, last 2019 when we won silver sa SEA Games. Ganyan lang din ang nasa isip namin. When we, yung laban namin against Thailand last 2019, nasa isip lang namin, baka sakaling matalo natin. And then it happened. The history happened last 2019. And yun yung masasabi ko, walang imposible.
Yan. So we'll see here if LPU can find that mindset. Mochilias. Gatigan. That was a cross-court underhand set. Galedo to Dolorito. Drop ball. Covered by Basarte. Ito na ang Benilde. Malapit sa net. Back row naman ang pinuntahan. Easy up. Pero regalo. Para kay Lieses.
Well, above the net, Martin, talagang nagmamatter yung height. As we can see, di ba yung advantage kapag mas matangkad ka, di ba?
13-7. Kumakawala na ang Benilde.
Makakuha sa sarili nating ritmo. Okay, magbabatay tayo sa kabila. Okay, nagmamadali tayo sa first pass natin. Pass first, dahan-dahan, kabayaan yung setter magpabilis. Okay? Yun ang nagiging problema natin. Kailangan mapasahan muna natin ng maayos. Huwag natin madalin yung mga nangyayari. Malayo pa yan, one stop. Kailangan makapuntos tayo.
Well, actually, on cue, tama yung sinasabi ni Coach Cromwell. Ito yung score natin ngayong first set. But ang sinasabi ko nga kanina, hindi sila makapag-create ng play. And it's easier for Benilde na basahin yung atake dahil ina-expect nila na wing na lang yung papalo. Dahil kakargaan nila sa serve, ma-eliminate ngayon yung receive. So, wala nang middle. Aasa na lang sila sa mga wing spiker. And for Benilde naman, mas madali nilang nadidepensahan itong mga atake ng LPU.
You saw earlier how the Lady Blazers built their lead. So now, after that Dolorito hit, it's down to 5. Kat Galedo serves. Long time backup para kay Mingming Puzon. Now at the forefront. Oh, Bartolome. Rookie. Mula sa Bacolod, Taytong.
Pero timing para kay Bartolome. Yan ang maganda sa mga quicker and setter. Kapag maganda yung timing ng quicker mo, mas madali para sa setter na iabot yung bola.
It's another weapon added here by Benilde.
Wow!
Alberto with the counter for LPU. Yun yung sinasabi mo. Kailangan somehow pumunta sa gitna. Ito mo si Galedo.
Martin, kasi paminsan-minsan may misconception when it comes to middle blockers. Yung mga quicker. Ang quicker, mas effective yan kapag mas nauuna ka doon sa bola.
Yeah.
Kasi yung ang tendency kasi nung iba, kailangan hintayin ko yung bola bago ako tumalon. No, kailangan tumalon ka muna. Yung bola, kung magaling talaga yung setter mo, iaabot niya kahit saan ka tumalon.
Challenges sa setter.
Oo.
Kailangan maganda yung unang pasa.
And yung connection itself, mas importante.
That's the play called by LPU. So we'll see. Jonah Dolorito just scored an ace and the lead is down to 4. Another sharp one unleashed, and this is going to be a chance ball. Galedo running hit, sobra mula kay Alberto. Not really the best execution of that running attack. And ay Alberto committing the attack error. Katarig will begin coming off that 23-point outburst against Arellano. Mochilias! Wow! What a dig by Lieses. Here's Ashley Lieses now. Back set once again for Mochilias. Katarig this time with the cover. LPU on the attack. De Guzman down the line. Abantay pa rin yung Lieses. Nolasco from the middle.
Alam mo, hindi mo pwedeng hindi bantayan si Nolasco sa middle attack.
One of the more efficient attackers of the league, number 3 also in scoring. And she puts us at 16. Time out muna tayo. We're back to the coverage. 16 to 10 tally para dito sa Lady Blazers. And this is Zam Nolasco on your screens. 113 points in the season in terms of points per match. That's over 22 a game for Zam. Last time out, she had 19. Lieses.
Wow.
Off the block.
What a sharp cross hit coming from Shekinah Lieses, the other Lieses.
Grabe. The Blazers, or the Lady Blazers, have blown this one wide open. Sobra lang yung serve dito ni Glyden Katarig. And that'll give LPU a bit of a breather, which they need to capitalize on if they want to stay in this set. Ai Alberto, as a rookie, getting starter minutes from Coach Cromwell. Difficult pickup coming from Galedo, so Pinyud will score again.
Yeah. Medyo umaangat na itong kalamangan ng College of St. Benil sa ating first set.
Lieses to serve. This is Sky Lieses. Better first ball from LPU, pero miss hit mula kay Hart Bio.
Another unforced error para sa pupunan ng LPU.
That time, medyo nakabuka yung pasa neto ni Galedo.
And itong kalamangan ng Benil, alam mo, lahat tinatrabaho nila, but yung 5 points na unforced errors from LPU is additional para magkaroon ng mababaan yung effort nitong tinatrabaho ng College of St. Benil.
And this will prompt another timeout. A kill block from Zam Nolasco.
Intimidation okay? Walang intimidation, gamble. Okay, paluin yung dapat yung paluin. Naintindihan, walang pigil. Tapos rhythm. Middle hingi ng bola. Okay, para makuha natin yung gitna. Nakukuha. Hindi tayo makakuha ng ritmo. Bakit? Okay, yung ina-atake natin, hindi.
Additional instructions from Coach Cromwell Garcia and the Lady Blazers. Look at the scoring here. 2 times in this stretch. Tatlong sunod mula sa kanila.
Yep.
Substitution.
At hindi na nakakasagot itong LPU.
Basilio in.
And this has become a problem for them.
Yeah. And alam mo, yung itong College of St. Benil, halos wala silang ginagawang too much effort dito sa first set natin. It's just that hindi lang talaga makarecover itong LPU sa mga unforced error. At the same time, yung first ball nila ang pinakatagdanak dito sa first set natin.
This is Sky Lieses unleashing another ace. So ipinasok na ni Coach Crom. Yung sinasabi ko kanina, itong si Sheila Pascual. Another rookie from Far Eastern University. Medyo malamig pa, pero ginawa niya ng paraan. Nolasco gets denied. So LPU showing some net defense.
Kakapasok niya lang and diba, siya yung naka-block kay Nolasco. What a great timing.
Sabi ko, malamig pa yung kamay, pero matibay sa block.
Oo.
Diba? Stacy Lopez also inside. Rozol coming in for the first time as well. This is the double sub by Coach Cromwell Garcia.
Serving for the Lady
So
Pirates, number 5.
si
Kenny
Razol
Ruaz.
ang
Yep.
magiging setter niya ngayon.
Para magkaroon sila ng 3 frontline spikers.
Chance ball here. Ruazol to Pascual, kinargahan. Lopez will try, drop ball will not work. Dorog brings it to Lieses. Bio was there, scramble. Ruazol to the middle, pasang-basa ni Nolasco.
Point for the
Alam mo,
Lady
ina-expect
Blazers.
ko magkakaroon ng chance itong si Bio na makapuntos, but ibang klase yung focus itong si Nolasco.
She was anticipating that hit, talking about Zam and way above the net for that block. So Basilion is now in alongside another
Serving for
rookie
St. Benilde, number
of the
7,
Lady Blazers.
Francis
Ito, player
Flores.
ni Coach Jerry mula pa sa Hope. Itong si Francis Flores.
Actually, ang daming na-provide ni Coach Jerry na mga magagaling na players from
Into the
Hope.
block,
Ayan yung
Pascual.
sinasabi ko. Her second point in this time of a comfortable set from Ruazol.
Wow.
Sheila Pascual.
Yan, no?
First point from block and her second point from attack.
With attacks like that, it's hard to keep her on the bench. Diba? Oh, look at that hit coming from Lieses.
Yes,
Wow.
right again.
Ash Lieses just flew in. Nobody to guard her except Dolorito.
Basilio.
That was a tall task.
Well, Martin, yung ibang mga, actually, yung ibang players dito sa College of St. Benilde, hindi lang sila mako-consider as quicker. May mga quicker na sila yung gumagawa ng play. Sila yung pumapatong doon sa combination play.
Malalayo yung pinanggagalingan. Pero sa gitna kinukuha, that's Dolorito. Scoring LPU.
Serving.
Far behind here, 14 serving 23. And they'll begin with Bio. But pick up coming from Dorog.
Oh.
Baba lang yun para kay Katarig.
Point for the Lady
That's
Pirates.
been rare for Benilde. Those attack errors, so and that's something they can
15 to
afford
23.
at this stretch, given that they don't give LPU a lot of confidence.
And kung ganyan naman kalaki, Martin, yung lamang, medyo pwede naman kahit pa paano mag-error. Kasi di ba, sabi ko nga sa'yo, minsan natatalo yung isang team not because ma-error sila, but because yung timing ng error, kapag crucial, doon sila nagko-commit ng maraming errors kaya natatalo sila.
That's right. Eto, meron silang kaunting leeway. But Dolorito scores again, so LPU,
Still on the service
And
line
this
for
is
the Lady Pirates, number 10.
what they can do
Art Bell.
towards the end of this set to just create momentum.
Tama.
Diba? Buuin nyo ulit yung sarili nyo bago tayo tumungo sa set number 2 if they don't come back here.
Yeah. And for sure, kung mas maging maganda yung pagtatapos itong first set natin, malay natin, hindi pa rin imposible makahabol sila sa score ng Benilde. And kung hindi man, well, at least yung momentum nila unti-unting umangat for second set.
Back in.
This is now 3 straight mula dito sa
Art
LPU
Bio. Serving.
Lady Pirates, cutting the lead down to just 6. Art Bio continues to serve and
Too
she
long.
commits the error, so
Point for the Lady
they'll
Blazers.
stop their own momentum and put Benilde at set point.
Serving for the set. For the Lady
24-17.
Blazers, number 12, Ash. Yeses.
Leses looking to finish off LPU here in the first. Pascual with a good first ball. Lopez.
Through the
Only one
block.
blocker in front of
Lopez.
Stacy Lopez that time.
Yup. Itong LPU, Martin, may mga options sila ng mga attackers. It's just that wala silang first ball, kaya hindi mapaikot ng center. Ito mga combination play.
5 out. 20.
right.
Mochilias.
Ito
Back
magbabalik
in.
si Kat Galedo. But those were productive minutes from Kelly Razol
For the
at saka
Lady
dito kay
Pirates,
Stacy
team
Lopez.
captain, Galedo.
Balik sa LPU, si Mochilias at Galedo. Ooh! Okay. That'll end the first set. 25-18. Good start from our defending champions. And they take the 1-set-to-none lead. Babalik po kami. Balik sa ating laban. And after the first, it is the Lady Blazers leading it by a set. 1-set-to-none, 25-18. At ito yung mga highlights natin. John Vic, nauna dikitan eh.
Yep.
Di ba? Paano umalagwa itong Benilde?
Hindi, sa napapansin ko Martin, yung mga unforced error nitong LPU, napakataas compared sa unforced errors na binigay ng Benilde. And I think number one na kailangan maresolba nitong LPU ay yung kanilang first ball. Kasi ang tendency, pag wala silang first ball, nagkakaroon tuloy itong Benilde ng chance na mabasa yung atake nila. And then kapag nakuha ng Benilde yung attack, nagkakaroon naman sila ng counter-attack kung saan itong Benilde nagdedire-diretso yung puntos.
Yeah. And ganyan po ang Benilde Lady Blazers. Just a well-oiled machine, so they're just waiting for you to make mistakes, which LPU did a lot in that first set. But there were bright spots for the Lady Pirates. Yun nga lang. Na-overwhelm yung 9 errors nila.
Yeah. This is just the first set, Martin, and may nakomit agad itong LPU Pirates na 9 unforced errors. Imagine sa 18 points, i-add mo sana yung 9 points dyan. Baka nag-iba yung kwento ng ating first set. But still, itong defending champions natin, iba rin naman talaga yung tinrabaho and yung focus. Even yung mga blockers natin. And pagdating doon sa service line, iba rin talaga yung targeting nila, Martin.
The Lady Blazers, despite not having Coach Jerry for the second straight match, taking care of the first set, no problem for them. And they're looking for, again, their 4th straight win in the competition. On the other side for LPU, susubukan nilang bumawi dito. They got something going towards the end of set number 1. We'll see if they'll find that again. But here is Lieses with a swing to start the second set.
Yeah.
Ash Lieses.
Pang-apat na bola ko na, Martin.
Oo nga eh. Tinatawag ka yata eh. Ng volleyball
I
ulit.
miss volleyball naman. Pero, yeah. Focus
Wala
tayo,
na.
focus sa karir.
Saan? Saan? Kasama yun eh.
Yeah.
Ow!
Ball is in for
Bartolome. That's a nice hit from the middle from Camila Bartolome.
Ang daming
Team
options ng
captain,
Benilde sa atake,
Jean
Martin.
Basarne.
Yeses Twins, Bartolome.
And you have the veteran setter in Basarte running the show.
Katarig.
Yeah.
Ang daming options.
There's a challenge on the floor by LPU Lady
So,
Pirates.
challenge
Block touch.
mula kay
The
Coach
challenge
Cromwell.
is block touch.
Tignan natin kung may check to. But LPU off to a slower start here. Medyo malayo dun sa tinatakbo nila against the Lady Cardinals, John Vic. But that's the effect of the Lady Blazers and their play.
Again, sabi ko sa iyo, Martin, paminsan-minsan yung masabi mong ikaw ang defending champions, may impact na yan agad doon sa mga ibang teams na makakalaban mo. And I think ito yung napapansin natin sa LPU kasi ang ganda ng laro nila against Mapua University and nanalo sila doon. But this time parang medyo naiilang sila, medyo skip yung galawan, hindi sila makakuha ng first ball, and sumusunod yung atake at yung mga errors nila.
That's right. 2-0. Meron bang check? This is a lengthy review here. Okay.
Yeah. Pero, yeah. Actually, kahit i-challenge nila yung net touch, baka mamaya wala din because yung bola ang net touch dun sa net.
One
So
challenge remaining
3-0
for the
ang
Lady
ating
Pirates.
simula sa second set. It's another cruise for
Still on the
Benilde.
service line,
Ang
for the
SLPU
Lady Blazers team captain
addresses
Bostarte.
their problems. Better pass. Alberto, no good. Backs it for Katarig, off the hands. Guzman ang magbibigay kay Dolorito, who scores it off Bartolome.
Dolorito off the block.
Pa-isa-isa lang, Martin.
Yeah.
Alam mo, may something about LBU na talagang hindi nila mailabas this game.
For the Lady
And
Pirates team captain.
Tingnan mo, nakaka-receive sila. Pag atake nila, okay naman yung atake pero nade-depensa ng Benilde.
Yeah.
So from time to time, kailangan lang nila makipagsabayan para ma-push tong Benilde na sila yung medyo mahirapan magbasa ng laro ng LPU.
Comes
But
Bartolome.
Benilde at this point is just too good. Ito si Camis Bartolome. Nicely done by the rookie. So yung pinupuntahan dito ni Chin Basarte.
And in fairness kay Basarte, knowing na itong LPU talagang binabantayan nila yung mga middle, pinapaikot niya. Mas mahaba yung distansya nitong middle sa kanilang setter na si Basarte, and napaka-successful nito para sa part ng Benilde Blazers.
Muchilias thought he was inside, but
Serving for the
clearly,
Lady Blazers,
according to
number 12, Ash.
first referee
Yes.
Erwin Lucordero, outside yung atake niya. 5-1 for Benilde.
And alam mo, Martin, kanina ko pa hinihintay. Ano kayang reason bakit hindi pa pinapasok right now si Roxy De La Cruz?
Yeah. Hinihintay pa natin kanina pa. This is Dolorito. Off the block. And the Blazers
Block point.
will get another
CSB.
point. 6-1 para sa four-time defending champions. Nothing
Still on the
going
service
right
line.
for LPU right now.
Number 12, Ash.
Kala natin
Yes,
nung
sir.
first set, Martin, medyo naipagpag na nila
Yeah.
yung tightness. But I think sabi nung Benilde, teka lang, hindi po pwede.
Allí,
More encouraging
Alberto.
play from LPU. Alberto giving them their second point of this quick.
Serving for the Lady Pirates,
But that
number
was
15, Jonah Dolorito.
through the blockers and in the gap area. So Dolorito now with 5 points. She will start the play. Again, Benilde consistent with that first ball. Pero yung atake ni Bartolome, bumalik
Point
sa
for the
side
Lady
nila.
Pirates.
Sometimes it happens, Martin. Yung miscommunication between the setter and the middle blockers. And I think
Serving.
etong Benilde naman, pag nag-error, bumabawi agad yan sila.
Yeah. Again, not a lot of that in this match for the Lady Blazers. They've been almost flawless pretty much the entire way so far. Down the line. Is it out?
Outside.
Outside.
Pirates.
According sa ating mga line judge.
4 serving 6. This is allowing LPU to climb back.
Still on the service line.
Konti lang, Martin.
Manipis, ano? Manipis.
Almost.
Yeah. Dolorito. Faulty first ball. Bartolome from the middle.
Bartolome.
Again, it's
Will
Cams
start
Bartolome who scores.
And I'm so happy for itong kay Basarte na
Comes
from time to
Bartolome.
time kapag nagkaka-error ito mga spiker niya, binibigyan niya uli ng momentum para makabalik at makabawi.
Yeah. Kanina, nag-attack error si Bartolome. Miss set coming from Galedo. 8-4.
First
Is
technical
the
timeout.
Dali, the Lady Blazers are first
minute.
again to the technical timeout. Pagbalik po natin, we'll hear from our courtside reporter, Fatima Reyes.
Tuloy-tuloy ang ating NCAA Women's Volleyball action dito sa San Andres Sports Complex. At mga kapuso, alam nyo ba, kahit pre-season, hindi daw pala nagtapat ang Lady Blazers at Lady Pirates. Kaya para kay Coach Cromwell Garcia, ang larong ito ay battle of character dahil dito daw talaga nila maipapakita ang tinatrabaho nila simula off-season. Kaya naman ngayong second set, kalmadong paalala ni Coach Cromwell na huwag silang mataranta dahil dito nila nakakalimutan ang basics ng volleyball. Dagdag dito, huwag din daw sila magmadali para mahanap ang sariling tempo dahil ito raw ang susi para makapalo ang isa, mag-cover naman ang isa pa at sumunod sa iisang galaw. Lahat sila. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Jonathan.
Salamat, Fatima Reyes. A report from LPU side.
Totoo. Yung teamwork na hinahanap natin for LPU, nanalo sila against Mapua, yun yung hinahanap natin dito sa game nila against Benilde.
Yeah.
Kasi walang imposible, Martin, kapag medyo nakabalik sila kung ano lang yung system na ginawa nila nung nanalo sila against Mapua, hindi rin malabong maging maganda yung laro nila against Benilde.
Yeah. Again, they beat Mapua,
Serving for the
who
Lady
actually beat
Blazers,
Benilde,
number 16,
and almost, at least,
Katarina.
almost, in their first game of the season. That game lasted 5 sets.
First game yata
Yun
yun.
una,
First
oo.
game yun.
Sa Mapua na. Pero yung Benilde, ibang klaseng kapit yung pinakita.
I think it was 14-11.
14-10 actually.
14-10.
Yeah.
Imagine, grabe.
So the Lady Blazers looking to keep it going. Pascual.
For Duchess, Golden LPU. Point
Not over.
for the Lady Blazers.
So 10-5.
Alam mo, Martin, I'm not sure kung lahat ganito pero ako yung isa sa mga players na kapag naglalaro at sinet sa akin yung bola, huwag mo ako sisigawan. Paluin mo yung ganun. Parang naano ko, na out of focus, kumbaga nakalak ako para sa akin lang naman, sa spiker.
Okay.
Nakalak na yung isip ko kung ano yung gagawin ko. And then, kahit hindi ako binamandohan na paluin mo dito, paluin mo dyan, nadidistract ako. Kaya even sa national team and sa before sa mother team ko saan ako naglalaro, yun sinasabi ko, huwag niyo ako sisigawan.
Kasi
Kaya
nabe-break
ako.
yung focus. Ano?
Oo.
So kailangan kilalanin mo yung spiker mo. Kung ano yung mga preferred nila.
Totoo. And may mga
Off the
spiker
block
din naman,
by
Martin, na
Blazers.
pag sinigawan mo, doon sila mas nabubuhayan. Mas nagkakaroon sense of urgency.
Napupush, kumbaga. Eto, Lieses with yet another point.
Serving for CSB.
11-6.
Wow.
Itong LPU hindi makalapit ng husto. Lady Blazers have the answers. Nicely done by Lieses. Over to the other Lieses twin. Not gonna work. Katarig from behind the line. No. This is Pascual having difficulty with these sets.
Eto na.
Yun na hinihintay ulit
Hintayin
natin.
natin.
So, De La Cruz comes in for the first time.
Oo.
Still in the service
she
line
of,
for CSB.
She could provide the spark
Totoo.
that LPU badly needs in this game. Picks it up. Good targeting by Lieses. Pero si De La Cruz
Drops
not
it.
wasting
Off
any
the
time.
She knows what to do.
So challenge na agad siya ni Lieses. Siya yung tinarget sa serve. Sabi niya, sige,
De La Cruz.
babawiin ko yung first ball.
And yan ang difference sa new players compared sa mga veteran players
Yeah.
like Roxy.
Watch you play.
speaking of vets,
Chin Basarte.
That was a veteran move coming from Chin Basarte.
Oy, madalas natin makita sa kanyang senior. Ang kanyang senior na teammate before na center na si Mondoñedo.
Si Cloan, di ba?
Oo.
Cloan eventually, later on in her college career as Dolorito scores, mas tumapang
Oo.
dun sa mga 1-2 plays na gano'n. Ano?
Totoo. And ang maganda sa mga ganong klaseng setter, Martin, from time to time, mararamdaman mo yung mga spiker mo kung medyo nagdadalawang isip. So, ikaw na yung gagawa ng paraan para makascore.
Yeah.
Kinakat mo yung momentum din ng mga blockers.
That's right. Oof!
3 point for
Nabanggit ko,
CSB.
kinakat yung momentum. That cuts the momentum of LPU immediately. Chloan, by the way,
Serving for the Lady
won
Blazers,
best
number
setter
1, team
Yeah.
captain.
in the professional
Jean
ranks.
Bastarte.
So we congratulate her for that.
Yeah, hindi lang dito sa NCAA.
Uh-huh.
And it's good to hear na may mga produkto ng NCAA na nagkakaroon ng mga award or maybe championship sa mga major competition dito sa Pilipinas.
Dolorito
A
puts it
solid
down.
kill from Dolorito.
But I'm not surprised though. She's one of the rare ones here in the NCAA. She was a setter, but she won the MVP in the season. Bibihira po nangyayari yan.
Team captain.
So Jonah Dolorito
Serving.
was able to score. LPU, they could not break this 5-point or 5-point barrier. Lieses swings away.
Down the
Dahil
line.
laging may sagot ang
Yeah.
Benilde.
And grabe yung court vision nitong si Lieses. Imagine matangkad ka na, ang taas nung contact mo sa bola, ang bilis mo pumalo.
Ashley SS serving.
And ang dito naman sa side ng LPU dahil hindi masyadong katangkaran yung ibang players, yun yung nagiging disadvantage when it comes to blockings.
That's true. Power tip coming from Ochilias.
Sees the hole.
LPU though cannot alternate points with the defending champs kasi malayo ang hinahabol nila dito.
And unti-unti lang, kailangan lang talaga nitong LPU na tiyagain
Yeah.
itong second set. Oh,
Oh, they let
inside.
it go.
Yeah.
So this could be the start. Jonah Dolorito with the service ace.
Pero tatawag ng challenge na
Ayan.
kupunan ng College of St. Benilde. Ball in, ball out.
The challenge is ball
Kahit
in,
ako,
ball
Martin,
out.
medyo nalito ako.
Dikit
Ang
ano?
bilis ng bola.
Yeah.
Oo.
At nakita mo, last second din ni-let go ng mga manlalaro. So we'll see.
Yeah.
15-10 between these two teams. You see LPU here. Everybody's just having a problem, but they're enjoying at least.
Yeah.
They're enjoying their time.
Sabi nga nila, Martin, ang problema, wag mo nang problemahin.
Tama,
diba?
tama, yeah.
Solusyonan mo.
Ah,
Oh, inside. Yeah.
outside.
Ball is out.
Yung
Challenge
outside.
is
Oo.
successful. Point and serve.
Wow.
St. Benilde.
Incredibly close. Yun ang tumuturo si Coach Cromwell ngayon sa screen.
Actually, yung siguro yung shadow ng bola before mag-touch sa floor,
Yan.
yun yung parang inside. Kahit ako di ba? Akala ko inside. Pero nung lumapat na yung bola dun sa floor, outside talaga.
Yeah.
Pero close, napaka-close.
Lapit yun. Nakangiti si Coach Onyo Kitigan. Tama yung desisyon nila. They lead it 16-10. You're still watching LPU versus Benilde in our women's volleyball tournament currently in the crossover phase. And the Lady Blazers are making quick work of LPU here in the second set. And this is how they've done it so far.
Actually, ito pa nga LPU yung nakaka 2 straight points dito sa second set. But
3 points for the Lady
itong
Pirates.
College of St. Benilde from time to time naman, meron silang bawi.
One of, again, the rare ones for Benilde today. This is Asaga.
Serving for LPU, number 17.
Actually, ito yung first time yata nakita ko
Ali
nag-service
Alberto.
error itong College of St. Benilde.
So, Alberto will try. Katarig. Wow.
Cross court kill. Lydell.
Sharp hit coming from Clydel Katarig.
Kaya, yung timings of blockings,
Yeah.
alam mo, from time to time, kaya meron tayong wing spiker. Yung Quigger, kailangan niyan yung maging basihan kung saan sila didikit. Though, hindi naman natin maiwasan kung talagang na-late, pero from time to time, kailangan yan yung sundan mong guide. Yung
Yeah.
mga wing spiker mo.
Exactly.
Dahil dyan ka didikit dyan din magdidepende itong floor defense. Kasi kung butas-butas, napakadaming option itong mga spikers.
Nolasco.
Kung saan nila
turn
pwedeng
back
palisto yung mga
by
bola.
Bio.
Better sequence that time though for Heart Bio. On the single coverage against Zam Nolasco.
Yeah. Pawi naman agad para dito kay Bio.
Lopez in.
So ito na yung double sub mula kay Coach Cromwell. Si Ruazol. Papasok kasama si Stacy Lopez, Mochilias, and Caledo. Both going out in the first set. They brought some life to this LPU offense.
Tama.
Diba?
Yeah.
Oh!
Off the
Zam
block.
Nolasco.
Nolasco.
Bilis na bawi mula kay Zam.
One of the best scorer para sa College of St. Benilde.
12. Kai Liesa serving.
18-12 for the defending champions. And this is now becoming too easy for them. Patila Cruz
Yeah.
rises and sends it
No
out.
touch outside.
19-12.
7-point lead para sa koponan ng
Timeout.
College of
LPU
St.
Lady
Benilde.
Pirates.
And Coach Cromwell calls for a timeout.
May advantage siya naman. Sabi nga sa inyo, nagiging problema natin, okay, hindi, part na natin, okay, gagawin nila trabaho nila, tayo gawin natin yung trabaho natin. Hindi kayo po pwedeng ma-intimidate. Kailangan trabahuhin nyo mismo. Okay, dapat mag-intimidate.
Alam mo, tama yung sinabi ni Coach Cromwell. Yung hinahanap natin sa LPU, actually, hindi pa yung adjustment nila sa laro ng Benilde. Kasi before sila mag-enter dito sa game today, inaral na nila yan kung ano yung magiging positioning, kung ano yung atake, kung ano yung selection ng shots. Pero yung laro nila ang kailangan nating makita. Dahil even yung laro nila, hindi pa nila mailabas dito. Second set na to, Martin, dapat makita na natin kung ano yung talagang nilalaro ng LPU.
That's right. Sabi ni Coach Crom, wow! Teka lang. Off
Lopez.
speed. Nilagay sa zone 2
Yeah.
ni Stacy Lopez.
And a good adjustment ng isang player kapag binabasa mo yung nangyayari. Totoo.
Pero hirap nun. Mahirap yung angulo yun.
Number 9.
Super sharp cross.
Yeah.
Cut shot. Diba?
Exactly. 13-19.
Good serve.
Lieses picked up. Chance for LPU. Dug up right behind. Back to Lieses for Benilde. And this is saved. De La Cruz will ad-lib. Basarte to the running Nolasco. And Nolasco scores again.
20. 30.
Hindi ko alam kung ako lang tuwa, pero every time na mag-approach si Nolasco, parang ang taas ng percentage niya sa running attack. Even running short or running long.
She has been barely stopped today. Talking about Zam Nolasco. Kada bigay sa kanya, parang instant point.
Oo.
Diba? Good pop-up again. Wow. Ashley Eses with some solid floor defense behind. Pero sobra yung atake ng kanyang kapatid.
Naghanap ng check ball ang kupunan ng College of St. Benilde, pero hindi na nag-challenge si Coach.
Serving for the Lady Pirates, number 10.
Ayun niya munang gamitin.
Bio.
If LPU wants to make a push, this is the perfect time to do it. 14-20. Basarte to Lieses. Again, she finds the opening.
Down the line. Ash.
Grabe yung court vision nito si DSS. No? Actually, silang dalawa. Alam mo, ang ganda ng timing nung blocker ng LPU. And ang ganda rin nung silip niya dun sa down the line.
Again, They read first before taking.
Through the block.
Stacy Lopez. Sabi niya, hindi. Sa blockers ko ito papadaanin.
Akala nyo catch-up ulit ha? Teka lang.
16 out, 18.
Kaya mo rin naman.
Undangan in.
Dumaan sa blockers.
Substitution for LPU.
Christy Undangan.
5 out.
Late entry for
20,
Christy
Mochila
today.
Zin.
Yeah.
8 outs. 11, team
Kat
captain.
Galedo is back
Galedo
in the
back
fold for the Lady Pirates. Ganun din itong si Ashley Mochilias.
Serving for LPU Lady Pirates, their team captain, Galedo.
Galedo. Cantorog gives a great first
Off the
pass
block,
and
Ash.
that often
Yes.
makes it a lot easier for Basarte at sa kanyang diskarte.
Grabe.
I think that's
Substitution for the Lady Blazers.
been one of the biggest
11
strengths of
out,
Pinil
24,
today.
Almonia
You know,
in.
that first
Yeah.
pass. Kasi nasi-set up nila kahit ano.
Oo.
Di ba?
Timeout.
So, timeout
LPU
muna tayo.
Lady
Mamaya,
Pirates.
may bagong papasok si Almonia para dito sa Lady Blazers.
Ano natin ba tayo momentum, ha? Intindihan? Lahat ng defense natin, out. Nakukuha, pulot tayo ng bola. Okay? Tapos pag nakakuha tayo ng opensa, okay, may go signal ka. Okay? Hit hard. Okay? Girls, tas tulong. Kailangan natin kumover. Okay? Ang baba eh. Kailangan yung maitaas natin. Ha? Go, 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 go.
Back to the coverage. And Benilde with the commanding lead dito sa ating second set.
Oo. Talagang
22 to
nag-pull
15.
away sila dito sa second set
Serving for
natin.
St.
And
Pinil, number 12,
again,
Ash.
para dito naman sa
Yeses.
kupunan ng LPU, we're still waiting for the team na ilabas kung ano yung totoong laro nila.
And we were expecting them as
And she's
we see
there.
another race from Benilde to minimize their errors. At mag-adjust na.
Wow.
So previously,
Ash
they had,
Yeses.
9 points last
For the Lady
set, sa first set
Blazers.
natin.
ngayon,
Ngayon, meron na actually currently 9 points unforced error
Yeah.
para sa kupunan ng LPU. Imagine 9 points. Usually, Martin, nag-average lang ang number of errors mo
Ball is
para
out.
mas maging maganda yung flow ng
Ball
game mo.
is
Usually,
out.
3 points lang, 3-2, max na yung 5.
Yeah.
But this time, I think kung ito ay magiging outside at hindi magagrant para sa
With the
LPU,
challenge on the floor by the
10
Lady Pirates. Block touch.
unforced
The
error
challenge
agad
is block
Exactly.
touch.
in just one set.
and we thought they'll be able to address that kasi ganun na yung galawan nila nung first set, but still unable to do it. And I think yung time out kanina ni Coach Cromwell Garcia, John Vic, yung sinabi niya na huwag kayong ma-intimidate.
Yeah, oo.
Kasi yun yung pinaka nagiging factor na dito because they got the game plan covered. You know, they did the film work. They just have to play brave against Benilde. So no touch to.
No
No
block
touch
touch.
outside.
So,
The
ibig
challenge
sabihin,
is
meron ng
unsuccessful
10
for the
unforced
serve for the
errors.
Lady Blazers.
Itong LPU Lady Pirates.
And Benilde is back at
Serving for the set,
Set
the Lady
point.
Blazers, number 12, Ash
Lieses.
Lieses.
to start. Good serve. And that first ball has been suspect for LPU. Pasarte to Almonia. Dolorito. Okay, Tigan making an effort. Back to Almonia, who drops it in. And the rookie
And success.
Wow.
from Cebu,
25,
USJR, comes up with the winning point here in the second.
Makikita natin yung happiness sa mga mukha nitong College of St. Benilde.
What a performance mula dito sa ating 4P champions. Ipinapagpag itong LPU sa ating laban. 2-0 now is their lead.